Sir,
In
sir,
Vedic math.
multiplication with 5.
Yeah, multiplication by 5. And then one more thing we have discussed. See, I think this is our last class. Okay, multiplication by 5 as well as 50 also.
Multiplication with 50.
Okay, tell me. Instead of multiplying by 5, what we can do? Any number, instead of multiplying by 5, what we can do? We can just
multiply by 10 and divide by 2.
Okay, overall we can just divide it by 2. Okay, instead of multiplying by 5, we can divide it by 2, and after dividing by 2, we'll get some remainder, right? And based on that remainder, we have to keep last how many digits?
1 digit.
Yeah, last digit, last 1 digit. What are the remainder possibilities when any number is divided by 2? Remainder may be
Sir, 0 and 1.
0 or 1. If the remainder is 0, last digit
0.
0. If the remainder is 1, last digit
5.
5. Yeah. Next, any number instead of multiplying by 50, what we can do? The same thing. Divide it by 2, and based on the remainder, we have to keep how many digits? Last 2 digits. Why 2 digits? Because by taking this 2 factor, we are making this 50 as 100 as base. Okay, 100 consists of 2 zeros, that's why 2 digits. Here also by taking 2 factor, we are making this 5 as 10. 10 consists of only 1 zero, that's why 1 digit. Okay. Tell me, what are the remainder possibilities when you divide any number by 2? Remainder may be
0 and 1.
0 or 1. If the remainder is 0, last 2 digits?
0 and 0.
0, 0. If the remainder is 1?
5, 0.
Yes, very good. 5, 0. So up to this point, we have already discussed and we are extending our concept. Multiplication by 25. Tell me what to do. I don't want to directly multiply by 25. What I can do? We can, instead of multiplying by 5, what we can do? Tell me, Sharanya, again.
Divide by 4.
Yes, very good. So we have to divide the given number by 4. And based on the remainder, we have to keep how many digits?
Last 2 digits.
And what are the remainder possibilities?
0, 1, 2, 3.
Very good. Last 2 digits. Remainder possibilities are 0, 1, 2, 3. If the remainder is 0, last 2 digits?
0, 0.
If the remainder is 1?
2, 5.
Very good. 2, 5. Remainder is 2?
5, 0.
5, 0. And remainder 3 is?
7, 5.
So simply a remainder into that number. This number. Remainder into this number will give last 2 digits. Okay. Next. In the same way, tell me. Well, 5 completed, 25 completed, 50 completed. Next. Multiplication by suppose 250. Any number. Instead of multiplying by 250, what we can do?
Divide by 4.
Yeah, divide.
Sir,
We
we
can
need to
divide
add
by
3
4.
zeros.
Based on the remainder, we have to keep how many digits?
3 digits.
Why 3 digits?
Because like into 4 we'll get 3 digits, like 1000 we'll get.
1000 is the base, then we'll get 3 digits. So last three digits will be, remainder possibilities are 0, 1, 2, 3. Remainder 0,
000,
0, 0, 0. Remainder 1,
250,
2, 5, 0, 2,
500,
100.
and then 3,
750,
750. Correct. Next, tell me any number instead of multiplying by 500, what we can do?
divide by 2,
We can divide it by 2. And based on the remainder, how many digits?
last 3 digits,
Remainder possibilities.
0 and 1,
If the remainder is 0, last 3 digits,
000,
0, 0, 0. And remainder 1,
500,
500. And any number instead of multiplying by 125, what we can do? $125 double is how much?
250, divide by 8,
250 double,
500,
500 double is,
1000,
means 3 times we have doubled. 3 times doubling nothing but we have used the multiplication factor
8,
8. So means any number instead of direct multiplication by 125, we can divide it by 8. So based on the remainder, we have to keep how many digits?
last 3 digits,
And the remainder possibilities are
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
yes, up to 7. 0 to 7 are the remainder possibilities. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Tell me 0, 0 is the remainder. Last 3 digits. 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 5, 2, 5, 0, 3, 7, 5, 500, 6, 2, 5, 7, 5, 0, and then 8, 7, 5. So these are the remainder possibilities. Okay. So we'll do the questions based on these things now. Whatever the numbers which are comfortable to convert into its above base number using using any multiplication factor. So we are seeing those numbers. Ritvik. Ritvik. Okay. Ritvik cannot speak today. Aisha cannot speak today. Only these 3 persons have to respond. Shravani, explain this one.
Sir, the reminders are 0 and 1.
No. What to do? First of all, tell me that. What you are doing, tell me.
Sir, I didn't attend the last class, so I thought that I'll just see how 1% does it and then.
Okay. That is what we have discussed now. Okay. All these things
Yes,
are
sir.
discussed in the
I
last class.
understand.
Okay. You should know the application, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sharanya, can you explain this?
yes, sir. The number half, we have to half twice.
Okay,
So,
I think here instead of doing half technique, it is better direct division by 4 because the number is bigger one.
yes, sir. So, 6,
6 times. Okay, with remainder.
1,
Now it is
3,
14. 3 times with remainder.
2,
Now it is 22.
5,
5 times with remainder.
2,
Now it is 23.
5,
5 with remainder.
3,
Now it is 36.
9,
9 with remainder.
0.
So if the remainder is 0, last 3 digits are 2 digits or 1 digit.
Last 2 digits are 0.
0 and 0. Okay. Just 1 second. Yeah. Shravani,
Sir,
understood this one?
no, sir, I didn't understand it properly.
Okay, see, let me explain a small question here. What happened?
Sir, you said that when she was doing something, you said that you have to just use the division method or something.
Okay, I'll tell. Where this number gone? Okay, 6. Okay, number came. Right. See here. Okay. Who? Shravani. Shravani, instead of multiplying by 25, what we can do? Let me take a small number like 32 into, let us take 5 first. 32 into 5. Okay. What I told, we don't want to multiply this number by 5 directly. So instead of that, what we can do is we can divide it by 2. So 32 by 2 is how much? Shravani? 32 by 2.
Yes, sir.
Half of 32 is how much?
16.
16.
Yes, sir.
16 with a remainder?
It's remainder 0 or 1.
0 only, na? 32
Yes,
by
sir.
2. Remainder is 0. If
Yes,
the
sir.
remainder is 0, we'll keep the simply last digit as 0. That's
Okay,
your
sir.
answer.
Okay.
We actually didn't do multiplication by 5. We have divided it by 2. And even though we are getting the answer. Okay, see one more question. Like 32 into 25. Tell me. We don't want to divide. Sorry, we don't want to multiply
Yes, sir.
with 25 directly. What we can do? We can divide it by 4. Okay, 32 by 4 is how much?
Sir, it's 8.
8 with remainder.
0.
If the remainder is 0, we have to keep how many digits?
2
When we are
zeros.
multiplying by, we are dividing by 4, we have to keep last 2 digits. Last 2 digits will be
0.
0, 0. So 800 is your answer.
Okay, sir.
Suppose if the question is 33 into 25, in that case, when you divide this number by 4, how many times it goes?
It goes the same 8 times, but
8
then there
times,
will be
but
a
the remainder
reminder as
1. If the remainder is 1, last 2 digits will be
25.
Yeah, that 1 into 25, 25. So 825 is your answer. Suppose if the question is like 74, okay, into 25. So instead of multiplying by 25 directly, we'll divide this number by 4. And the remainder possibilities are, how many times it goes in 72? Sorry,
Sir,
74.
Sir will get a reminder, sir.
How many
the
times
answer-
actually?
Yes, sir. I think it is
16 fours, not 16, right? 70.
Sir, it will come in points, sir. 18
No. Tell the number with remainder. Tell the quotient with remainder.
Okay.
18 times. Tell me how many times. Sorry, 18 fours are how much?
18 fours are
18 double
18
is
fours are 72.
72. Okay, it goes 18 times with a remainder
Okay. Remainder 2.
2. So now
Okay.
the last 2 digits will be the 2 into
There will-
25.
Okay, 50.
50, 50. 1850 is your answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Understood.
Then try yourself this one. What I told is, so any number when you are dividing by 4, before this class, we have discussed one more thing. Dividing by 2 is nothing but halving a number. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Dividing by 4, nothing but halving a number twice. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Suppose 32 by 4. Half of 32 is how much?
8.
16.
16. Half of 16 is
Okay.
8.
Okay.
8. So 8 is your answer because you halved twice. Okay. So for smaller numbers, it is okay. This technique is okay. For this much bigger numbers, so halving will take extra time. That is why I suggested her to do division by 4 directly.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now try this.
Uh,
25 by 4. How many times?
sir?
25 by 4.
6, sir.
6 times with remainder.
The remainder, the remainder 4.
No. 4 6 are 24 with remainder.
1
One.
with remainder 1.
That 1 and next digit 4 becomes a 14. In that 14, 4 goes.
So we should do 14 divided by 4 again.
14 divided by 4.
3 with remainder 2.
Okay. Now it becomes 27. 27 by 4 is how much?
6 with remainder 3.
Okay. 38 now it is. 38 by 4.
9 with remainder 4.
No. Remainder. 2 only now.
Sir,
9 4 is 36.
Okay, yes, sorry, sir.
36 and the remainder is 2. Now this number becomes 21.
Yes, sir.
21 by 4 is.
Divided by 4 is 5. With
5
remainder
with remainder 1. Now it is 12.
12 divided by 4 is 3. With remainder 0.
0. Okay. Now it is 0 5. Nothing but 5.
5 divided by 4 is 1 with remainder 1.
1. Now it is 15.
15 divided by 4 is 3 with remainder 3.
With remainder 3. So if 3 is the remainder, last 2 digits will be?
There'll be in 75. So 70.
Yes, correct. 7 and 5. So that's your answer. That is the resultant of this multiplication.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next. Yashwasin.
Yes, sir.
Explain this.
Okay, sir. Sir, first we need to divide it by 4.
Okay.
Sir, 9 by 4 is 2 with remainder 1.
Okay. Now it is 18.
Sir, 4.
4 times with remainder
6. 2, sir.
2. Now it is 25.
6 with
With
remainder
remainder
1.
1. 14.
Sir, 3 with remainder 2.
Okay. 27.
Sir, 6 with remainder.
The remainder 3. Now it is 36.
Sir, 9 with remainder 0.
With remainder 0. Now it is 02. Into 4 will not go. Into
sir.
4 will not go, means what we can do?
Sir, we need to take the next number with this 25.
Can I take it next digit directly, grantedly? 25 can we take directly?
Yes, sir.
No, no, no. If you write 0 here, then you can, you have permission to take the next digit. Okay, write 0 here and then you can consider 25 now.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so means 2 by 4, 0 times it is 0 with remainder 2. 4 times 0, it is 0 now with remainder 2 only. Okay, now it is 25. Continue.
Sir, 6 with remainder 1.
Now it is 17.
Sir, 4 with remainder 1.
So finally the remainder is 1. And last 2 digits will be
Sir, 25.
25. Correct. So you do these questions. Okay, this one and yeah, only one question is remaining. You can do that later.
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Tell.
Sir, you record the session and then send, like, where do you send it, sir?
I'm sending in, I'm uploading in YouTube channel and I'm giving that link in Google Classroom along with the PDF, classroom PDF.
Sir, which Google Classroom, sir?
Which Google Classroom means I'll say after class, I'll send the link for our
Okay, sir.
Google Classroom. Okay,
Okay, sir, thank
click on that link, you will be in our Google Classroom only. You can find all the attachments.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now we'll start with Sharanya. First question.
Yes, sir. 46 divided by 2 is 23 and the remainder is 0. So the last 2 digits are 0, 0.
23 with remainder 0. That's why 0, 0. Okay. Then Shravani. Second question.
Yes, sir. 85 divided by 2 is 42 with
Why
remainder.
85? Okay, you are taking D1. I'm asking for B1.
Okay, okay, sorry, sir, my bad. 864 divided by
2.
divided by 2 is 432 and the
432
remainder,
with remainder 0.
so we'll add 2 zeros.
2 zeros. Okay. Yash, C1.
Sir, we need to divide by 4.
Okay. How many times it goes?
Sir, 1. Sir, 1
1.
with remainder 3
Okay. 32.
and 8.
8. 18. Finally, the remainder is?
Sir, 0.
If the remainder is 0, last 2 digits?
0. 0.
0, 0. Yes. Again, Sharanya, D1.
Yes, sir. 85 divided by 4 is 21, remainder 1, and the last 2 digits are 25.
Last 2 digits 25. Shravani, E1. There is a decimal place. Okay. Just ignore the decimal place. Simply consider it as 868 only. And later we will place the decimal.
Okay, sir. 868 divided by 2 is 434 and the remainder is 0, so it will be we'll add 2 zeros.
Now keep the decimal place. Where to keep?
In last, like,
Yes, last 1 0.
yes, sir.
So after 1 digit from right side. after one digit from right side. Here also after one digit from right side means this will be the decimal. Means
Yes,
the
sir.
answer is 4340. Okay, in the same way, Yashwin.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
F1.
Sir, 42 by 2 is 21.
Okay.
21 and remainder is 0. So we need to add 2 zeros.
Okay.
And we need to keep the decimal point before one digit.
Yeah.
So the answer is 210.
210. Correct. Then Sharanya. G.
Yes, sir. Now half is like 17 point.
17. Don't consider a point now. We'll see later.
Yes,
We'll
sir.
add later.
1728.
1728 with remainder.
With remainder 0. So, sir, this is the answer, sir. Like we have to do 200.
Okay, actually we have to add 2 zeros, and then if you keep the decimal point after 2 digits, and that will be your answer. Without zeros will be your answer, right?
Yes, sir.
So 1728, that's your answer, correct. And then Shravani, H1.
Yes, sir. 28 divided by 4 is 7. And
Okay.
since the remainder is 0, we'll have to add 2 zeros.
Okay. Final answer?
700.
This- No. That is
Oh,
not
sorry,
28. That is
70,
2.8.
sorry.
Yes, yes,
I don't-
70. Correct.
Yes, sir.
70 is your answer. $125. Okay, again, Sharanya.
Yes, sir. 256 divided by 8 is 3,
3 times with remainder.
1,
16.
2,
Okay,
remainder 0 and 1.
1 time. Finally, remainder is
Remainder is 0, so 000.
very good. 0, 0, 0. Shravani.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Any number instead of multiplying by 125, what we can do? We can divide by 8, because
Okay.
8 times 125 is 1000.
Okay.
1000 is a base number. We are making it as a base number.
Okay, sir.
Tell me.
Then 97 divided by 8
Why
is
97 directly? We can go with a digit by digit also. No? 9 by 7, 9 by 8.
okay. 9 by 8 with remainder 1.
1 time with remainder 1.
Yes.
So now it is
17 divided by 8 is 2 with the remainder 1.
Now it is 15.
15 divided by 8 is 7 with the remainder. Sir?
15 divided by 8.
Okay. 15 divided by 8 is 1 with remainder 1.
With remainder 7.
Sir?
15. Okay. Divided by 8. How many times? 1 time. It is 8. What is the remainder?
Okay. Okay.
Now it is 76.
76 divided by 8 is 9.
9 times is how much?
Sir?
9 times is how much? 70.
9 tens.
8 nines are
Okay. 8 nines are is 72.
with remainder here.
With remainder 4.
Okay. Now it is 48.
48 divided by 8 is 6.
6 times
With
with
remainder
remainder
0.
0. Now it is 0, 3. Nothing but 3. 3 by 8, is it possible? 3 by 8, is it possible?
No, sir.
No means simply write a 0 here and the 3 will be remaining.
Okay.
Okay, now remainder 3. Based on the remainder, we have to keep how many digits? Last 3 digits.
Yes,
So
sir.
what are the last 3 digits?
Sir, is it 7750?
No, directly multiply these two.
Okay.
375. That remainder is 125. Remainder into 125.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
proceed.
Yes, sir. Sir, first we need to divide it by 8.
Okay.
Sir, 1 with remainder 0.
Okay.
Sir, 5 is not possible, so 0.
Now it is 0. Now we can consider 52.
Yes, sir. Sir, 8 6 are 48.
With remainder.
Sir, 4.
4 means it is 43 now.
Yes, sir.
Fast. 43 by 8.
Yes. Sir, 8 5 5
8 5 is 40 with remainder
3.
3. Now it is 36.
Sir,
8 goes in 36. How many times?
sir,
You should
Four,
be
eight,
perfect
four.
with the 20 tables, minimum 20 tables. You should be very fast. Okay.
yes, sir.
Compulsory. It is mandatory. Okay. Proceed. 36 completed, right? No.
Sir, 8
43
4
completed. Now it is
32.
36. 8 4 so 32 with remainder
4.
4. Now it is 44.
Sir, 5 with remainder 4.
5 with remainder 4.
Sir, again 5 with remainder 1.
5 with remainder 1. Now it is 12.
Sir, 1 with remainder 4.
Now it is 45.
Sir, 5 with remainder 5.
5 and finally remainder is 5. Okay, last 3 digits will be 125 5s. What we can do is 125 double is 250. 250 double is 500. 500 means it is 4 times this number and add one more 125. If you add one more 125, it becomes 625. Okay. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. You do these 2 questions. Okay. Later. Not 2, 3 questions. Yeah, next it is multiplication by 250. Bhargav, why late? Bhargav. What happened, Bhargav? Okay. You're not audible, Bhargav. Okay, Sharanya,
Yes, sir.
this one.
Yes, sir. We have to divide by 4. So 2
You have to
remainder
divide
1.
it by 4, 2 with remainder 1, 15,
3 with remainder 3.
37,
9 with remainder 1.
11.
2 with remainder 3.
Now it is 32.
8 with remainder 0.
Okay.
Then 0.
Again, 0 means it is 35.
Yes. 8 with remainder 3.
35 again.
8 with remainder 3.
8,
9 with
39.
remainder, yes, 9 with remainder 3.
Again 38.
And 9 with remainder 2.
Okay, 22
5.
with remainder.
2.
If 2 is the remainder,
500.
correct. 500. Shravani, this one.
Yes, sir. You have to divide it by 4.
Why 4?
Sorry, 2, sir, 2.
Because it is 500, we can make it 1000 by multiplying by 2. Means 2 is the factor here.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
1 with remainder 0.
1. Okay.
So we have to take 35
Why?
because
In 3, 2 will not go or will go?
okay.
It will go means we can take
Okay,
that one only.
okay, sir.
Even if we take 35 also, you'll get the same answer. Okay, but calculation will be bigger.
Okay, sir.
3 by 2.
1 with remainder 1.
Okay. 15.
2 with 15. Okay.
15.
Yes, sir. 7 with remainder 1.
18.
10. Sir, 10 with the remainder.
18 by 2 is how much?
Okay, sir. So my bad. 9, sir. 9 with
9.
remainder 0.
Okay, now you have 7.
Yes, sir. 8 with remainder 1.
No. 7 by 2. 2 goes in 7 how many times?
Sir, it cannot go no, sir. So we'll have to take 6 and then 6 with remainder 1.
Not 6. That 6 goes in 2 how many times? 3 times, na?
No, sir. 7 divided by 2.
7 divided by 2, 3 times with remainder 1, not 6 times.
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
Okay. No issue. 3 times with remainder 1. Now it is 19.
Then it's 8. It's 9 times with remainder 1.
14.
We can divide it by 7 with remainder 0.
Yeah, 7 with remainder 0. Now it is 5 only.
5 with 2 with
2
2
times
with remainder.
with
Yes, sir.
remainder.
1.
Finally, your remainder is 1. Last 3 digits will be
500, sir.
500. Correct. Okay, you can do this question later. And next we are going to start another new concept, that is multiplication by 11. Bhargav, are you there? Try to respond either at least with message or by voice.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now your voice is audible. Understood till now what we have discussed?
Sir, I didn't understand how do I divide those complex numbers by 2, 4 or something, sir. But I understood the method, sir. Like, how do we
Okay, okay. Okay, shall we do this
multiply by
question now?
250, 500 and all?
So anytime we are making this number to its above base number. Above base number nothing but 10 powers. 10 power 1 is 10. 10 power 2 is 100.
100.
10 power 3,
1000, sir.
1000. We are making those numbers as the base numbers, above base numbers, because they consist of only zeros, and finally we can keep the number of digits. Okay. So here 250, we can make this 250 to 10 or 100 or 1000.
1000, sir. 1000
1000.
upon
To
4.
make it 1000, what is the multiplication factor?
We have to multiply by 4, sir.
Okay, we are multiplying this number by 4 means we have to divide this number by 4 so that the multiplication will not change, resultant will not change.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now you want to know this division, any bigger number with a single digit. So you can divide digit by digit. Okay, first of all, 9 by 4 is how much?
9 by 4 is equal to 2 with remainder 1, sir.
2 with remainder 1, and that remainder goes to the next place. Now this number becomes 16. Okay,
Oh,
16 by 4 is how much?
16 by 4 is 4, sir.
4 times with remainder 0 means now this number becomes 0, 5, nothing but 5. 5 by 4 is how much?
Sir, 1 with remainder 1.
And that 1 goes to 8 and becomes 18.
Okay, sir. Understood, sir. It's
Then continue.
the method I commonly use, sir.
Yes, yes. Continue. 18 onwards.
Sir, 18 by 4 is equal to 4 with remainder 2.
22.
Sir, 22 is equal to 22 upon 4 is equal to 5 with remainder 2.
Now it is 24.
Sir, 6 with remainder 0.
Okay, now it is 0, 3, nothing but 3.
Sir, 0 with remainder 3.
No. Okay, you are taking
Sir,
0 times it is. Okay,
yes,
right.
sir.
0 times 0 with remainder 3. Now it is 36.
Sir, 9 with remainder 0.
So finally your remainder is 0. And based on this remainder, we have to keep the last 3 digits because you made this number 1000. That 1000 consists of 3 zeros. That's why last 3 digits. So what will be the last 3 digits means that remainder multiply with the 250. We'll get the last 3 digits. 0, 0, 0. 0 into 250 is 0, 0, 0.
Okay, sir.
Right, right. Okay, moving on to the next concept, that is multiplication by 11. It is very, very, very easy. Multiplication by 11. See one example, like 23 into 11. So first take the first digit 2, and then last digit also as it is 3. And how to get the middle digit is simply adding these two, that is 5. And that's your answer. Understood? First digit as it is, last digit as it is, and the middle digit is 2 plus 3, 5. Everyone understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We'll see different cases, but till now, is it okay? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see 123 into 11, suppose. Take the first digit as it is, that is why that is 1. Next 2 digits, take 2 digits. 1 plus 2 is how much?
3.
3. Again 2 digits. 2 plus 3 is how much?
Sir, 2 plus 3
Hmm.
or 3 plus 5, sir.
5. And don't forget to write the last digit as it is again. That's your answer. First 1
Okay, sir.
digit, then 2 digits. After reaching 2 digits, continue taking every two digits. And at the end again, 2 digits one digit. Okay. Anyone have any doubt till now? Anyone having any doubt? You should have a doubt. That's why I'm asking.
Sir, I don't have doubts, sir.
You don't have any doubt? Okay. Then I have some doubt. Can you clarify? Anyone?
Yes, sir. Oh, I thought, sir.
Okay, see. Sir, here we are getting a single digit. That is why we are writing it as it is. What if we'll get a double digit after sum?
We have to carry to the next digit and write it 4. Like if we get 15, we'll write it 1453.
Sir, carry.
Yeah, that one will be
Carry.
carried over. Correct. Good. See that thing also. Suppose if the question is like 398 into 11. First take 3 as it is. 3. 3 plus 9 is how much?
12.
12 means 1 will be carried over and 2 here. Again 9 plus 8 is?
17.
Again 1 will be carried over, 7 here. And don't forget to write last digit as it is again. Now the answer is 4378. Okay. Any number of digits we can proceed with this in this way. See 4, 3, 2, 9, 5, 1, 3, 9 into 11. Continue. First is
4.
okay. Next.
7.
Next.
5.
Next.
11. 1 will be carried.
Okay. 1 and 1. Next is
14.
1 and 4. Next.
6.
If it is a single digit, write it as it is. Next.
4.
And next.
12.
12. So shall we stop here?
Yes, sir.
That's all. Is the
Sir, we need
modification
to
over?
add all of them.
Okay. And that is enough, or is there anything remaining?
Sir, that's it.
Anyone? Forgot anything?
Sir, 9.
Sir, sir, the last 9 should be this.
Every time I'm telling, okay, don't forget to write the last digit as it is. Don't forget to write. So that is why I asked now also. Forgot anything? Yes, we forgot to write this one. Okay, now your result is 4762465529. This is the answer. Okay, let us do one exercise. Yes, first one.
Yes, sir. Sir, 253.
Oh, this is already over, I think.
Yes.
253. Second one is also yours only. Yes.
Okay, sir. Sir, 6
Okay.
as it is. And then 1 also.
Sorry.
Sir, 7. Sir, 6,
7.
7, 1.
Okay. And then 1
One.
final. Sharanya, C1.
Yes, sir. 4. Then
Okay.
double 4 plus 4 is 8. Then again 4.
Again, last is it 4. Correct. And D, Shravani.
Yes, sir.
D1.
5.
Okay.
5 plus 0 is 5 and then 0.
And then last digit 0. Okay. Suppose if you see this question, 5 11s, sir,
Yes, sir. 55 and 0, sir.
and then 0. Okay. Bhargav, A1.
Sir,
A, question A.
So 68 into 11, right, sir? First write 6, sir.
Okay.
And then 6 plus 8, 14. 1 gets carried over.
Okay, right. 1 and 4.
And then 8 as last digit. So
Answer?
the answer is 748.
Good. Yes. B1.
Yes, sir. Sir, we need to write 7 as it is.
Okay.
7 plus 9 is 16.
Okay.
And then 9.
Okay.
So our answer will be 869.
Correct. Then Shravani,
Yes, sir.
C1.
Yes, the first 8, and then we'll put the first digits at the same.
Okay.
6 plus 8 is 14.
Okay.
Or
8
plus
first,
6 is
and
14.
then 8 plus 6 is 14. 1 and 4.
And then the 6 in the last digit.
And then 6 again. So the answer is
Yes, sir. 946.
946. Correct. Okay. Everyone completed. So you do the remaining 2 questions. Yes. First one.
Yes, sir. Sir, 4 as it is.
Okay.
Sir, and 4 plus 2, 6.
Okay.
And 2 plus 3, 5.
That's all.
3.
Yes. Shravani, B1.
Sir, B, sir.
Hmm.
Okay, sir. 6, first 6.
First 6. Okay.
Then 6 plus 3 is 9.
Okay.
3 plus 6 is 9.
Okay.
And 6.
Again, last 6. Correct. Then Sharanya, C1.
First number is 5. Then 5 plus 3 is 8. Then 3 plus 4, 7, and 4.
7 and then 4. Correct. Bhargav, D1. Bhargav, D.
Sir, did you call me?
Ah, yes. Solve D1.
Sir, first digit 5, sir.
Okay.
And then 5 plus 1, 6.
Okay.
And then 1 plus 6, 7.
Okay.
And then last digit 6, sir.
Right. So you practice the remaining questions. I'm leaving for you. Yes. First question.
Yes, sir. Sir, first we need to write 3.
Okay.
And then 3 plus 8, 11. 1 carry.
1 second. I'll write here 3, 1 carry, 1. Okay.
And then 8 plus 4, 12. 1 carry and 2.
Okay.
Sir, so 4, 2, 2.
That's all.
Sir, no, sir. 4. 4 again.
Yes. 4. 4, 2, 2, 4. Shravani, B1.
Yes, sir. First 6.
Okay.
And then 6 plus 2 is 8.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And 2 plus 9 is 11. 1 carrier.
Okay.
Then
9.
Okay. Right.
So,
Final answer.
so it is 6, 9,
6, 9, 1, 9.
1, 9.
Then Sharanya, C1.
Yes, sir. 8 plus 8. Then 8 plus 8 is 16.
8, then 8 plus 8 is 16.
Then again 8 plus 8 is 16.
Okay.
And then 8. So it is 9, 7, 6, 8.
Okay. And today's last question, Bhargav. F1. Bhargav.
Sir, 9 is first digit.
Okay.
9 plus 3, 12. One goes
Okay.
carry over, sir.
Okay.
And then 3 plus 9, 12. One goes carry over.
Okay.
So the final number is 1032.
Is that the answer?
Oh, sheesh. No, sir.
Where is the mistake then?
Sir, oh, we have to write the last digit 9 as it is. Sir.
9 as it is.
So
Don't forget this.
10329.
Don't forget to write first and last digit as it is in any of series of ones. So in this class, we just saw multiplication by 11. In the next class, we are going to see multiplication by 111, multiplication by 4 ones, and means multiplication by series of ones, as well as series of twos and series of threes, and till the series of nines. We will cover all these things in the next class. Along with this, we'll take some other topics. Okay. So we'll meet in the next class. Take care.
Bye,
Bye.
sir.
Yes, sir.